This is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I will quickly show how you can enable and configure the parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the passwords and accounts category, or accounts, just simply. Over here, remove any Google accounts you might have. Next, re-enter the Google category, then go for the parental controls, tap at the Get Started button, Child Routine, next. Now you will need to log into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the camera. Once the child's Google account was successfully logged into, you gotta select it from the list over here, and then sign into parental Google account as well, or in other words, the Google account you will use to supervise your child's activity. Once the parental account is signed into as well, you will need to scroll the following About Supervision page all the way down and enter the password to the child's Google account one more time, then tap at the Agree button. Onwards, allow the supervision at the dialog window that follows, and over here simply wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked together. At this point, once the account linkage is completed, or complete rather, the setup on the child end is also finished. All these steps that follows are like additional non-obligatory steps that we can just glide through and skip them without any remorses or any consequences for the feature functional. So let's quickly skip all these steps and finish the setup. Now, once the controls are active on the child's device or on the child's phone, take whatever device you wanted to use as your parental tool and then install the Google Family Link application on it, which you can get for free from the Google Play Store. So let's quickly install it, then launch the app once it is ready. Over here, make sure to log in with the parental Google account. And here is the list of all the controls that you have an access to. So those are the tools you will be using to tailor and, well, configure, monitor your child's digital experience. Then you can also see their live location and device usage highlights. So that would be it as far as this video goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.